Okay, hey guys, so we've done these first two. We're gonna do these bottom two. We're gonna do this number 4 together, and then I'm gonna help you set up number 3, then you're gonna try that one and finish it on your own. So let's look at number 4. So let's read it and see what is important and what we need to know. So it says, David is making punch. You know what punch is? It's kind of like a mixed, like a drink that you drink at like a wedding or like a baby shower. He needs 3 ounces of grapefruit juice and 9 ounces of apple juice for each serving. Like, so that's for one little cup that you're going to have. He's going to put 3 ounces of grapefruit juice and 9 ounces of apple juice in each serving. He needs to serve 12 people. How many cups of punch will he need? So we have a bunch of different information here. We know we have ounces, we know we have people he has to serve, and the question is asking for our answer to be in cups. So I'm going to write down some of this information on my board where I'm actually going to solve this problem. So we know he needs, in like one little cup that he has here, or one serving. Oh, that's a good tea kettle. Look at that. Or a good punch cup. All right, in one serving, he needs 3 ounces of grapefruit juice and 9 ounces of apple juice. How many total ounces is that per serving? So 9 plus 3 is 12, right? So in each serving, there's going to be a total of 12 ounces. He needs to serve how many people, does it say? He needs to serve, so this is one serving. He needs 12 servings. So if this is 1 and we need 12, this is a multiplication problem, at least this part right now, right? Or I could sit here and draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? 11, 12. These are my 12 servings. I know there's 12 ounces in each of these. So this is 12 groups of 12. That's how I know this is a multiplication problem right now. So what is 12 groups of 12? 12 times 12. If you don't have your 12s memorized, we can sit here and actually solve it. 12 times 12, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1, right? It's 144. So all of these cups, all of these servings, we would need a total of 144 ounces to make all of the servings. Now, this cannot be my final answer. How do I know it can't be my final answer? Because the question is asking for our answer in cups. I have the total in ounces. Now I need to convert my answer from ounces back to cups. So I'm going to look here, ounces and cups. Well, 1 cup is 8 ounces. For this one, I have the ounces and I don't have the cups. So I'm going to make some more space here real quick. So I have 144 ounces. I don't know how many cups that equals. But I do know that 1 cup is equal to 8 ounces. So this is what we do now. I pulled this off of our reference sheet. 1 cup is the same as 8 ounces. I have 144 ounces, and I'm trying to get back to cups. So up here, I went from a larger number to a smaller number. To do that, I'm going to have to divide. So I need to divide 144 divided by 8 to see how many cups this is going to equal. So 8 cannot go into 1. I'm going to bring this one up. Okay, how many groups of 8 can I make with 14? Just 1. Subtract our 8. What's 14 minus 8? 6. Okay, now how many groups of 8 can we make with 64? Sit there and think about it for a second. Right, you should know 8 times 8 is 64. So 8 groups of 8 is 64. 18 cups should be the same as 144 ounces. We could check that. We could check our division. 18 cups is the same as 144 ounces. 1 cup is 8 ounces. So 18 cups, if I multiplied 8 times 8, you just said, was 64. 8 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That does check out. So 18 cups is how many cups that they will need, right? So multi-step problem. Okay, I'm going to help you with this one. We're going to set it up together, and then you're going to do the actual solving on your own and submit your answer. So let's look at this last one, then you guys are going to try to work it out and submit your answer. So it says, Jackson drinks 32 ounces of soft drink and 2 16 ounces of water each day. How many cups of liquid does he drink each day? So again, they're giving us ounces. In the end, we're going to want cups. Let's draw a picture to help us out to see what we have. So it says 32 ounces of soft drink. So I'm going to draw a cup here. This is 32 ounces. And then it says 2 16-ounce glasses. 2 16-ounce glasses. So they want to know, how much does he drink a day? Well, this is how much he drinks, but they want to know how much he drinks in cups. So the first step you're going to have to do is find this total of how much he drinks in ounces. So you're first going to need to combine all of these, right? That's kind of your first step. I'm not going to do it because I want you to do it on your own. So find the total of all of these ounces. Once you add up all these ounces, you'll get a total ounce number, right? Once you know what this total ounce number is, that should be our answer, except for it's asking for it in cups. How many cups of liquid does Jackson drink each day? So just like in this one where we went from ounces to cups, we had to divide by 8. You're going to do the same thing here. Once you have whatever this total ounces is, you're going to divide it by 8, and that should give you how many cups. So that's kind of what you'll do. So you need to add these up, then whatever number you get from there, divide it by 8, and that should tell you how many cups there are. So you're actually going to solve that on your own and submit the answer here on this Canvas page to tell me how many cups that Jackson drinks a day. Okay, good luck.